Hi, so this is the old solution. I'm going to change here something like so when we input on the text box is directly going to reflect in the paragraph tag. So just removed the button. Okay, it's the old code. You can take a reference from the old code, like how I'm doing this. If you have any question, you can ask, and if you want to see like what I did in the old one, you can go back and check the part 1. So I just did a OnKeup event, my function, and refreshing it again, giving a name like a jQuery test, so you can understand like this is for OnKeup. Okay, let's see. I just did only OnKeup event, nothing else. So you can see like if I type something in the text box, it's directly going to reflect in paragraph tag. It's so same event that was being called on the button click is working on the OnKeup. Okay, you can quickly review the like what I'm doing. My function, the script, the same script that from the example one. Okay.